Okay, is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I must tell you, 1 minute, please. What is CNC? What is CNC machine? I'm going to maximize them. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you. Already we have gone through what is CNC. So CNC is what? It's computer numerical control, right? Computer numerical control. So conventionally, an operator decide and adjust the various machine parameters, like the feed, depth of cut, and depending on the types of the job, and they control the slide movement. What? They control the slide movement. They control the slide movement of all, right? They control the slide movement by hands. So in a CNC machine, the function and the slide movement are controlled by the motor using the computer programs. Right? So how the evaluation has been takes place. I must tell you how the evaluation of the NC and the CNC has been takes place. I already in short I'm going to tell you. Okay, so I'm going to tell you from the 1947 onward. So it was 1947 when numerical control was born, right? It began when John C. Parson of the Parson Corporation, Corporation, Traverse City, Michigan. Okay, a manufacturer of helicopter rotor blade. What? He manufacturing the helicopter rotor blade could not make his templates fast enough. So he invented a way of coupling the computer equipment with the jig boards. Okay, so Mr. Parson used a punch card to operate his digit RAM system. Right? So 1949 was another year of urgent need. So the U.S. Air Force or U.S. Air Materiel Command realized that the parts for its plane and the missiles were becoming more complex. Also, as the design were constantly being improved, changes in the drawing were frequently made. So thus in their search, thus in their search for the method of the faster production, an Air Force study contract was awarded to Parson Corporation, right? Awarded to the Parson Corporation. The servo mechanism laboratory of the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, was subcontractor. They have given the first contract to the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So in 1951, MIT took over the complete job, and in 1952, the prototype for today's NC machines, a modified Cincinnati Hydrotail milling machines, was successfully demonstrated. They have developed the modified Cincinnati Hydrotail milling machine, and which was successfully demonstrated by MIT. So the term numerically control was originated at MIT. So who is responsible for the origination? They are the MIT. MIT are responsible for those kind of inventions. So today the computer numerical control, what we are called CNC machine, are found almost everywhere, or a small job shop in a rural communities to the companies in the large urban scales. Companies to the large urban scale. Right? You are getting?
यस सर, समझ में आ रहा है।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are many different types of the CNC machine.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। हेलो
Voice is
सर
audible or
आपकी
not?
वॉइस नहीं आ रही है। अब आ रही है सर।
सर, ब्रेक हो जा रही है आपकी वॉइस।
Hello.
The types of CNC machines से
Yes, sir.
आवाज आ रही है। Sir, types of CNC machines से आवाज नहीं आ रही। Hello.
Hello.
Sir, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, बस hello आ रहा है।
Okay. 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 Now you are getting. Now you are getting what I'm telling. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, not
See.
completely. Sir, not completely.
Okay, might be it is network problem. Okay, so we are talking about the basic component of the NC system. What are the basic components? See this block diagram. Now is it audible to all? Is it audible to all?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, we were not able to listen anything from this slide. Types of CNCs.
Okay. 1 minute, please. Yeah, now is it audible?
Yes, it is audible,
Okay.
sir. But can
Yes,
you
sir.
go back to the slide? Types of CNC.
Okay.
Can you repeat for that part, please?
Yeah, I'm getting some technical issues, right? So I have to start it from here now, right? Now is it audible to all?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
see this block diagram. See this block diagram. This is the basic component of NC system. Okay, this is the basic component of the NC system. See this block diagram. This the program means the set of the machine instruction. Instructions is in the form of the codes. So you will see the programming tool. You will see the programming tool. What are the programming tool we are using? What are the programming tool we are using? So see, we are having the three components. What are those? Programming tool, MCU, and processing equipment. These are the three. These are the three. These are the three components which is important for the NC system. So we are talking about the programming tool. Okay, so that programming may be the manual programming, that programming may be the automated part programming, that programming may be the graphic or the interactive CAM, that programming may be derived from the CAD CAM integration, and that programming may be derived from the CAPP softwares. CAPP softwares. Later on, I will tell you about the CAPP. Okay, and you know what are the media we are using. I already told you what are the media we are using to give the input to the computer system or to the NC machine. That media may be the punch card, punch paper tape, then magnetic tape, then floppy disk. So these are the things we are having the input medium we are using. Okay, and we are using the serial ports that is named as the RS-232 and TCP input. Okay, so we have given those input to the MCU. You will see this diagram. MCU में दिया उस सिस्टम को उसको MCU में दिया, मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट में दिया. मशीन कंट्रोल यूनिट में भी the hardwired NC machine, that may be the CNC, and that may be the PC based NC. Okay, and what MCU will do, MCU क्या करता है, उसको डिकोड करता है, और डिकोड करने के बाद इसको कहाँ पास करता है, पास ऑन करता है, एक्टिवेटर्स को देता है. एक्टिवेटर्स क्या करता है, अपने एक्टिवेटर्स क्या करता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंस्ट्रक्शन वो एक्टिवेट करता है, मतलब फंक्शनिंग करता है. और फंक्शनिंग करने के बाद जैसे फंक्शनिंग कंप्लीट होता है, वो सेंसर जो लगा रहता है, वो सेंसर क्या करता है, बिकॉज दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लोज कंट्रोल लूप, क्लोज कंट्रोल सिस्टम. तो क्लोज लूप कंट्रोल सिस्टम में क्या करता है, इसमें रिस्पॉन्स जरूर आता है. तो क्या करेगा, सेंसर्स विल टेल यस प्रोसेस हैज बीन कंप्लीट, गो फर्दर. Okay, so that may be the metal machining. That metal machining may be the turning, maybe the milling, maybe the grinding. Okay, and that may be the chip mounting machine that can be performed by the chip mounting machine, that can be performed by the 2D plotter, that may be the rapid prototyping machine, that may be the industrial robot, that may be the laser flame inspection like CMM, and that may be the fabric cutting, wood cutting, etc. These are the processing equipment we are talking about, on which it can be mounted, So basically you are familiar, I think you are familiar what is the function of MCU and what MCU did. MCU decode the information, pass on it to the actuators, and actuator activate according to the instruction. After completing the process, the response has been sent, feedback has been sent to the controller, that process has been complete, go further, right? Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So now I'm going to discuss about the CNC machine advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so what are the advantages associated with that? High repeatability and the precision. Example maybe the hello, who is running a song? Hello. Hello. So I'm talking about this advantage and disadvantage associated with the CNC machine. Okay, so the advantages associated with them, in short, I'm going to complete high repeatability and the precision. Man, means the quality of the product that what we are getting today, and that can be get into the day after tomorrow. That can be get out the that can be the same when we are going for the production at the weekend. So it can have the high repeatability. The same value we are going to attend again and again. Okay, so I think you are familiar with this high repeatability and the precision. That is, if we are, let us suppose we are going to manufacture the aircraft component, then we are talking about the volume of production is very high. Volume of production is very high. Then complex contour of the surface need to be machined. Then flexibility in job change, automatic tool setting, less scrap is also one of the advantages associated with the CNC machine. It is more safe, higher productivity, they can give the better quality, right? They are having the very less paperwork, fast prototype production, and reduction in lead time. So these are the whole associated advantages of the CNC machine. If you are going to increase if this technology has been adopted by you, और उसके बाद क्या होता है, एडप्ट करने के बाद आप प्रोडक्शन वॉल्यूम का बढ़ा देते हैं, प्रोडक्शन का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा देते हैं, तो उससे क्या होगा, ज्यादा नंबर में प्रोडक्शन करने से आपको कम कॉस्ट लगेगा, तो इनिशियल कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. और डिसएडवांटेज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, सेटअप इज वेरी कॉस्टली इन द बिगिनिंग, skilled operator is required. Okay, then computer programming knowledge is highly desirable, and maintenance is very difficult. A special maintenance crew is required for achieving those things in CNC machine. तो क्या क्या डिसएडवांटेज हुआ, हाई इनिशियल कॉस्ट, हाई इन्वेस्टमेंट इन द बिगिनिंग. उसके बाद क्या होगा, skilled operator is required, computer or programming knowledge is required, मतलब a good programmer is required to run the machine, very good. और उसके बाद क्या होना चाहिए, स्पेशल मेंटेनेंस क्रू चाहिए. मेंटेनेंस इज अ बिग हेडेक फॉर दिस मशीन, राइट? गॉट इट? So if you'll see a typical CNC machine system consists of the following 6 elements. And what are the 6 elements? What are the important 6 elements? You must see. First one is a part program input device, machine control unit, drive system, machine tool, and the feedback system. These are the six. These are the six elements which is desirable in CNC machine. So see this block diagram. Block diagram is showing the open loop control system and closed loop control system. Okay, so types of CNC control system we are talking about, that is the open loop control system and closed loop control system. In open loop control system, you will see input has been given to the controller, and controller is governing those signal to the control signal to the process, and process after obtaining that process, that may be the output. Okay, so there is no any response after completing the work. If you are talking about the closed loop control system, see, the input has been given to the controller has passed on the signal to the next process, and after completing the process, the feedback signal, after completing the process, the measurement has been made, and the process after process has been measured properly, the signal must be sent to the revert to the controller. That process has been completed. Go for the further stage. So these are the two types of, these are the, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ
Yes,
आया कि
sir.
नहीं आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ये सर समझ में आ रहा है, पहले ही पढ़ा था.
धीरे धीरे बेटा यूज टू हो जाएंगे हम लोग, धीरे धीरे थोड़ा अच्छा क्वालिटी और बढ़ेगा. ओके, so day by day we are
जी,
getting day by day we will be improving our this new concept of teaching. Okay, and you will be familiar, I think I'm also familiar, and you will be also familiar to get all those things, and I will try to give my best, but this is entirely different from the classrooms, because
Yes, sir,
this is only one side conversation. Okay, so I think today I'm going to stop, and I'm going to stop and going for attendance. I think we are approaching to the time, right? Because Dean sir will come,
Yes,
and
sir.
it will take time, so he will shout again, you have taken more time. Okay. So,
सर वो सॉफ्ट कॉपी शेयर कर देना, आप कह रहे थे ना.
हाँ बेटे करूंगा मैं वो.